Today we're gonna start on making some vanilla extract. Tytus is gonna help me out, and we're gonna do it. It's gonna be like a year-long process. You can do it for 3 months or 6 months, but we're gonna let this go for a long time. And the two things that I'm gonna use as far as making the extract is we got some spiced rum from Siesta Keys. You can back it up, Tytus. Thank you. And we also have some silver rum, the clear. All right, and these are 80 proof or 40% alcohol and 750 milliliters. I think the spiced one is going to really make some intense vanilla extract, so we're going to use that as well. Try it out. I got a box with a couple more bottles in it. You want to show this over here, Tytus? All right. And then we got a scale, and we got a pound of vanilla beans. All right, we're gonna get started. So a liter usually takes 100 grams of vanilla bean, at least according to the legal formula of making vanilla extract in the USA. We have 750 milliliters, which is about 75% of what we're normally going to use. So we're going to use 75 grams of vanilla bean to make our vanilla extract. So we're going to get started by weighing out the vanilla beans and then splitting them and put them in the individual alcohol bottles. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to get started on cutting these vanilla beans, showing Tytus how to do it. We're just going to strip them down through the middle. I think the beans are short enough we could just put them straight into the bottle. If we have to, you can cut them down into pieces. I kind of like the look of having the whole bean in it. They came vacuum packed. All right, first thing we need to do, Tytus, is we're gonna see how much 75 grams of vanilla bean is gonna be. See how much we got to work with per bottle. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a few beans. If you research this online, some people will say, oh, it's so many beans, or this is how much you're gonna need for the weight. But honestly, it depends. We got grade B Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. They say the grade B is a little bit better for making vanilla extract. All right, it's looking like 20. Looks like it's going to be 20 beans, but that's for a whole bottle at that weight. So that's 75. And that was Ezra, of course. All right, here we go. So Tytus, if you want, we're going to hold the top right here. Look, and this is what you do. You don't have to worry about starting from the very top at the beginning. Look, you can split it down. Ezra.
Hi.
I'm gonna hold the top, and you're gonna try to do it through the center like this. Oh, look, even I'm getting off track a little bit, but then you can hold it, straighten it up. So once you got it like that, and you can carry it down to the bottom like this. All right, that's 2. We got a bunch more to go. I'm gonna let you keep working on that. I'm gonna go ahead and open up a couple of these bottles. Get it ready. Ooh, that spice one smells good. Siesta Key rum is down in Florida, for those of you who don't know. Years ago, I went down there and took a tour of the distillery. We got a couple bottles open now. I'm gonna see if I can find a cutting board. How you doing, Tytus? Doing good?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit hard? A little bit dry?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get in here on Tytus. You're doing a pretty good job. There you go, carve it right down the center there. There you go. You can just move your hand and get closer to the spot you need. Good job, brother.
Alright, so we cut our vanilla beans.
That's right, we got them done. So here, let's pop this top. There you go, pull it off. Just pull it up. There you go. And just start putting them in there, Titus. And if we have a problem with it, we'll start chopping them up. So we're gonna get this one filled up with all our vanilla beans. Look at that. All them little specks of vanilla are shooting out already. Ezra, you're gonna love this, brother. This is the vanilla that's gonna go on all those cookies Mom makes for you. Muffins, Daddy's pancakes, Daddy's waffles. All those good baked goods. All right, we're gonna get them all stuffed in this bottle, and then we're gonna turn around and do it again, and we're gonna fill up the spice bottle. All right, Titus just finishing up on our second set of beans for the spiced rum we're gonna try out for vanilla extract. And so I'm pouring about 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup, or 1 to 2 ounces out of the bottle in order to get all these beans in here without the rum running over. And then Titus, if you want to give me that straw over there, right next to you. Thank you, sir. And while Titus finishes putting that last bean in there, so I'm just using you could probably use a McDonald's straw, but I'm just using like a hard plastic straw that we have. Make sure all my beans are just getting down in there. All right, we're gonna put the top back on that one, get it back in the case, and we got about 2 more bottles we're gonna do, and this makes a good gift. This is our plan, is to later on bottle them up and make like a vanilla extract, maybe a spiced vanilla extract, maybe do some spicy coated pecans, or maybe some vanilla sugar, and package them up for gifts. I realized I had enough vanilla beans left, that I could weigh out and do another bottle for vanilla extract, but we're gonna do even something a little bit more different than the spiced rum. We're gonna go ahead and make some vanilla extract with this toasted coconut rum, just to give another spin on it.